Online coaching has exploded in recent years, and so have online coaching apps. And more specifically, apps that help you coach your clients, give them training programs or workouts, do check-ins with them, and also check their health stats. These apps can really help you coach your online clients and really give them structure to their training. But there are so many to choose from with varying features, usability, and also prices. I'm always hearing of new apps coming to the market, and it seems to be not slowing down anytime soon. But which app would be best suited for you in your online fitness business? In this video series, I'm going to dive in and do a full in-depth review of several of the online coaching apps that you could use, diving into features, usability, pricing, connectivity, app access, and also support. I'll be sharing my screen and doing an in-depth review of the desktop version of the app to see whether this app would be the right fit for you to use in your online fitness business. Like I mentioned earlier, this is going to be a video series, so I'll be reviewing one app per video. So if there is an app that you want to see, be sure to check out my channel. All right, super excited to bring you this coaching software review video because this isn't something I have seen in the market to date. And it's a hot topic. It's all around AI. Obviously, AI has taken the world by storm over the last couple of years. And MyCoach AI are really ahead of the game. So what they've been able to do is integrate AI into the software. So as ever, I'm going to dive into the website, go through some of the features, go through the pricing, and then dive into the software and show you all the features that it has to offer. So first of all, love the branding. Also love their slogan, smarter, faster, genius. Really, just good all round. And really what they're looking to do is automate the repetitive tasks while delivering bulletproof results to your clients. So they're trying to take some of the repetitive stuff like the messaging, like the check-ins, like the forms, the nutrition element, and some of the coaching element as well. So again, it will all make sense once we dive into the software, but for now we'll just dive through the website. So we can easily message clients, and this can be automated. We can obviously create the workout programs, and again, I love the kind of the UI and the user interface, very clean and simple. We can add content to here as well, which is great. We can add videos, files, the exercises and the meals. We can leverage nutrition and the workout algorithms, which is pretty cool. And then we can take control of the dashboard as well, allowing clients to send audio message, show macros. We can tweak things depending on what we want to show the clients. Okay, so let's dive into the pricing. So first of all, these are the softwares that obviously it can replace, which is pretty cool. So obviously it's going to replace the other coaching software like TrueCoach, EverFit, or Trainerize. Again, it's got quite an extensive nutrition element to it as well, so you wouldn't need MyFitnessPal, Chronometer, or Evolution Nutrition. Again, when you communicate with clients, you want to make sure that you're communicating in just one area, so you would want to just use MyCoach AI. You don't need WhatsApp, iMessage, and Telegram. And then I always like when coaching softwares integrate an education element and a course element, so it's all in one place. So you can obviously give them the training program, you can communicate with them, you can give them nutrition, and then also you can give them videos and educational videos to help them through their program. So again, you could get rid of Kajabi, G Drive, and Teachable as well. So let's take a look at pricing. So pricing starts at $5 per month, and that includes 2 clients. And then you get all of these features listed here. So quite an extensive list of features. Now, if you wanted to go for a yearly plan, it's $240 for up to 10 clients. Now, you notice there isn't a free trial with this. Again, obviously it's a fairly new software, but it's offering quite extensive features, and it's also using AI as well. So they don't feel like they need to offer you a free trial, which I totally understand. Again, for $5, you could just dive in and have a look and have a play around. I don't think you'll be disappointed. So again, you could start small and then obviously scale up. If you've got a large amount of clients, you may want to just start with a couple, test it, and see if this works for you. So let's dive into the software. So before you get started on the software, you land on this page, which is really your onboarding journey. And I really like this because it's a very well thought out and extensive kind of program to go through just to get you set up. And it gives you everything you need. So you've got set up your dashboard and settings, invite your clients, master MyCoach AI, transfer your data, learn the system, and then more resources and frequently asked questions. So through this onboarding journey, there's videos, there's information on how to get started. And I really like this because when you first sign up to a software, it can be quite overwhelming and you don't really know where to start, and you've got to spend time like playing around and understanding it. But this onboarding journey really gives you step by step on really how to use MyCoach AI and get set up. So this is an awesome start, giving you everything you need to really set up MyCoach AI. You're also invited to join their community, so you can join the community and obviously ask any questions and really kind of connect with like-minded coaches that are using MyCoach AI as well. And finally, really the cherry on top is you're offered an onboarding call as well, which is amazing. So you've not only got this onboarding journey, you can be part of the community, you're also offered a call with someone in their team that are probably going to help you get things set up and make sure that you're happy with MyCoach AI. So quite an extensive onboarding, which I really like. Next, let's dive into the software. I'm on the desktop side of things, and when you first log in, you're greeted with this dashboard. So here we've got kind of the dashboard section where we can see kind of what's happening today. So you can create events in here, obviously just to stay on track and make sure you know what you're up to. You've got client notifications, so these are going to be notifications coming through do with like missed check-ins, missed workout, missed meals. So you can really keep an eye on your clients in one space. And then you've got the activity log as well, so you can see what's going on in your MyCoach AI software. The first part I want to jump into is just the overall global settings. So if I click this icon along the top, we've got kind of our info, we've got payment info, we've got defaults, we've got automation, check-in, and then customize. So we've got our custom info here. Obviously we've got our plan. You can integrate Stripe, so you can use Stripe to take payments through MyCoach AI, which is great. I really like Stripe. Yes, it charges you fees on Stripe, but again, having a simple kind of seamless process for taking payments is super important. You then got your dashboard, so you can show programs, show AI programs, show workouts and exercises. So you can just kind of customize what you see on your personal interface as a coach. You've got your event settings, and then you've got your default client nutrition. So here we can auto-generate meal plan and add to client schedule, allow clients to adjust their macros, allow clients to adjust their calories, allow clients to adjust their food preferences. So a lot of customization here. Again, these might be grayed out because I've not created anything yet. But again, a lot of things that AI is going to kick in and help you kind of automate those tasks. Default client workouts, so allow clients to adjust available equipment. Now this is really cool. And I've had this issue in the gym before as well, where you've got a program and it's set, and you've obviously maybe that you've changed gym, or that piece of equipment is just super busy and you can't get on it. Now what this MyCoach AI allows you to do is you can change the equipment, and it will give you options to change. An example would be if you can't get to the gym and you've got a gym workout, you can change it to home workout, and it'll give you the exact program but in kind of body weight exercises, which is I think super important, because again, as you move around, as your clients move around and things change, you want to make sure they don't make any excuses not to do the program. And really MyCoach AI gives you that feature and that tool to do it. So we can see allow clients to adjust available equipment, allow clients to adjust the location of workout, swap individual exercises, track exercise data. So yeah, I really like that. Again, depending on the level of knowledge for your clients, like they might not be able to choose a different exercise. They might just want the system to do it for them. So yeah, I really like that feature. I haven't seen that before. I know when I've gone into say kind of Trainerize or something like that, I've had to kind of search myself and find an equivalent exercise and swap that out, which can be take some time in itself. So then you've got the client interface, what they see, and then you've obviously got the client messaging as well, so you can automate messages in the system, and then obviously you can toggle things off if you don't want too many audio messages or videos and things like that. And then obviously we can create auto messages, we can create program metrics, so these are the global metrics that can be applied to any client anytime. And then obviously you can have default check-ins. So this is kind of all the automation side of things. And then we can create forms. So if we create a form, sales and full onboarding, all information to client, full onboarding, no sales. So these are all forms that are kind of defaulted in the system, and then obviously you can create from scratch as well. So you can onboard clients, you can check in with clients as well. You've got quick actions, so bulk message, go live, create workout. And then obviously you can rebrand some of the colors in here as well and upload your logo and upload your profile picture as well. So the system can be branded to kind of your own system as well. So yeah, a lot of features just in there alone. So let's now dive into the rest of the features on the system. So we've touched on the dashboard. Now let's talk about the workouts, and then we'll dive back into programs. So we can create workouts in here. As you can see here, I've just created a template full body workout. And from here we can edit that workout. It's very easy to use. Again, you just search, you would add exercise, and then you would search kind of what you would want. You can put press up, and then it will just pull any of the exercises and the videos that are in the system for you. You can also add obviously your own videos to the system, and then obviously you can choose the equipment. Also allows you to kind of apply AI. Would you like to utilize the sets and reps algorithm? So this is where when they swap different locations, it's going to swap the reps and things like that for you to really kind of optimize their training program. So then you've got the library, so we search from the AI exercises, or you can search from your exercises. So yeah, really easy to use. And then you've got the kind of the program sections. This is where you can create the program, and again, we can come in and name the program, add tags, and then start adding the exercises that we want to add. And if we dive into advanced options, it just shows you where to start the program on, and you click save. Next, we've got meal plans. So this is pretty cool. So you can create meal plans, you can create your own meal plans, but then you can also use AI to create meal plans as well. So if I click on simple meal plans, I can then name this meal plan. I can adjust the calories, and then I can also adjust the macros as well to suit my clients. And then if I click on advanced, I can remove foods that maybe there's intolerances, or you want to exclude certain foods. And then if you want it custom food exclusions, you can type them in here. So now if I click generate meal plan, it's going to take some time and generate me a meal plan. Then it's going to bring up all of the information and the meal plan, and you can obviously save this and then add it to your client's program, which is pretty cool. So we can see here it's brought up each day, and then if we go to weeks, it brings that up as well. And then it also brings up let me just save this. So we can see that now. We can also view the groceries as well, which is pretty cool. So it shows you actually, how much it's going to potentially cost in dollars, and then obviously the different foods that they need to buy. So this could save you a lot of time and really help your clients as well, because as we all know, training is just one part of the program. They do need to look at obviously their nutrition as well. So pretty cool feature, and pretty cool that it leverages AI as well. Next, we'll go to content. So like I said, in here, what you can really do is create kind of educational videos. So you can upload your own videos, and you can also leverage kind of the AI videos as well. So here we can see like five high quality protein options, baseline percentage of carbs you should consume in a day. So you could add these to your client's program and drip feed them each week to really just educate them alongside the program as well. So pretty cool that we've got that kind of feature inside, and it's leveraging AI as well. Files, we can upload files, whether that's PDFs or guides or anything like that, and again drip feed them into the programs so the clients can see them. We've got the exercise library, and again we've got the AI exercises where we could create program from the AI exercises and then add them to our programs. We've got the meals, which we've just generated, so we can see the different AI meals in here, and then we've got plain text. So this is where we can create save pre-written text to send and schedule to your clients. So we can send pre-written text that go out at certain times, obviously just to check in with our clients and keep them obviously on track to get their desired result. You can then obviously add more seats, and obviously if you've got other coaches, you can add assistants in here as well. So that's kind of going through the different features and the sections in here. Now let's dive into we've got an active client here, which is just an example. So in here we can see kind of the messages. This is kind of the messaging platform. We can send video, send exercise, send meal, send graph, send workout files, history, and plain text. We've got check-ins, so we can schedule that first check-in, so we can do that there. We've got their schedule, so we can obviously see their kind of calendar on a daily view, weekly view, a monthly view, and obviously add the program. We've got their profile, so we can see their information, payment, their automation, their check-ins, and obviously we've got their metrics as well. And then obviously we can add forms in there for them to fill out, certain metrics, and that will get added to the system. So yeah, pretty cool features. Usability, really easy to use, very simple, very clean looking, and yeah, they're adding a lot more features, and I'm sure they're going to add a lot more AI features as well as they build out the system. So in terms of access and app access, it doesn't actually have an app. And this is really because there's a lot of red tape around apps, especially to get on the Apple Store, the Android Store. And as they're adding more features with AI and things, it'd be very difficult to push those features out quickly to the App Store. So for now, they're just using like the desktop-based app. And you can log in on your phone. And again, it looks very, very clean on phone as well. And you can also save that on your phone as an app. So if your clients are wanting to use it on their phone, which they probably will do if they're in the gym, you can just, on your onboarding, you can just show them how to save, from their browser as an app, and then they can access it. So again, I know we're very used to apps, but it's as easy to just go onto your browser on your phone, log in, and then just save that as an app on your phone. So not all is lost with that. Again, we are very accustomed to apps, but they've done a very good job of making it mobile friendly, and it's good to use. So in terms of integrations, doesn't really need any integrations right now. You've got forms, payments, education, AI, nutrition and programming, and then the messaging side of things as well. So yeah, doesn't really need any other integrations if you're using this just to coach your clients. And I think the final thing to touch on would be just the support. So like I said, you're offered the support when you are onboarding. So you've got that full extensive library for onboarding. You've also got the community to go into and obviously leverage any questions on there. They do also have like live calls, I think, where you can jump on and get help. And then finally, you've also got the access to that onboarding call as well. So all in all, I really like this software, MyCoach AI. I think it's quite exciting that they're leveraging AI, and it could save you a lot of not only time, but also money, and really help you coach your clients in a smarter, faster, and genius way. If you want to learn more about software for your online fitness business, and you want to start, grow, and scale your online fitness business, then the next thing you want to do is check out the video I've got linked up here on the top 5 AI tools for your online fitness business. In this video, I dive into my 5 top picks of AI software that is out right now that you could use in your online fitness business. Be sure to check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.